The populist rhetoric, united with extreme right doctrines and fueled inter-ethnic hatred, encouraged anti-Roma pogroms and prepared the ground for Russian laws. In a bizarre way, the Roma phobia was combined with the Romanian phobia. While we protest vigorously against inhuman behavior and discrimination in Burma or other remote places, yesterday the number of MEPs who thought that the events in Italy requires more than a complacent 1-minute speech exceeded only by 6 the number of those who believe that this is not business as usual. The problem in Italy is not a Roma problem or a Romanian problem, as Mr. Daul put it yesterday. Romanians and Roma are only victims. Italians are also victims. The events and developments in Italy are only the shocking expression of a tendency which is latent in many other places in Europe, and therefore they could spill over in all Europe. This is an European problem. To prevent this problem and to cope with the Roma challenge, one does not need more repression, but more integration. One does not need more police, but more justice, and precisely social justice. One also needs states which function, media who never mix up criminality with the ethnicity, and an European Union which is able to conceive and enhance a true, comprehensive and bold European strategy on Roma, in particular on intercultural relations in general. If we don't pass this test, the flames in Naples will put in fire all Europe. Thank you.